Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webroot SecureAnywhere easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Webroot website. Locate the download button on the home page. Click the button to start the download process. Once the file has downloaded, navigate to your computer's downloads folder. Double-click the Webroot installation file to run it. A user account control prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installation. The Webroot installer will open. Click Install to proceed with the installation. The installation process will begin, and it may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Done to finish the installation process. Webroot will automatically launch after installation. You may be prompted to enter your activation key. Locate your activation key from your Webroot purchase confirmation or account. Enter the activation key in the provided field. Click Activate to complete the activation process. Webroot will now perform an initial scan of your system. Wait for the scan to finish. This may take a few minutes. Once the scan is complete, review the results. If threats are detected, follow the recommended steps to remove them. Your Webroot SecureAnywhere is now installed and active. You can access the Webroot interface from your desktop or system tray. Familiarize yourself with the features and settings available. Regularly update Webroot to ensure maximum protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.